Hi, ninth graders. I'm going to walk you through the week 21 weekly something. This week we are going to begin Born a Crime. So you'll be reading / listening to chapters 1 through 3, as well as the introduction. That is 50 pages. So this week, pay attention to how the reading feels for you and what your pace is like. And check in with me. I'd love to hear what the pacing is like from several different people. All right. As usual, this weekly something will go from Monday to Monday. Well, this is our first time doing it that way since last week was a late start. And you're going to turn this in next Monday, the 13th, after our seminar. You'll see to start, we've got 2 QR codes here. And this one is about the vocab practice, same words as before. You can keep checking those as needed. And then this is the full book PDF and audio chapters. If you click this, it takes you to a link where I have links of a random teacher reading them all in case I can't keep up with our schedule. And then I'm starting to add videos of me reading where you can see the page and you can see my annotations on the page as well as listen to me read it. So take advantage of any of those resources. There's also just the PDF of the book with nobody talking, and you could read that. Next up is the work checklist. You'll see we have these items this week: the reading, being awesome, update your reading tracker on Wednesday in class. I'll give you time to do that. On Thursday in class, you're going to trade reading notes with someone, your seatmate, and read each other's notes so you can compare and add to yours if you find some new information. You're going to continue to practice the vocab on your own. That is a should do, but I think flipping through that Quizlet as we get into this book will help you. And finish both sides of this weekly something by next Monday. And then maybe Monday during DEAR or over the weekend, you will review this weekly something, review the notes that you've taken so that you arrive to seminar on Monday with great things to say. In this box, you're going to get visual. Remember, visual means making something people can see, a picture, an image, a diagram, a chart, a drawing. And I want you to, after reading the first few chapters or first couple chapters, make some sort of visual image to describe, tell about what you read. On the second side, it's pretty simple this week. There's a chart to fill out for the chapters. And for each one, you're going to answer 3 questions. The first prompt is, what would you say is the topic or theme of the section or the chapter? So the introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Second prompt is, what part of the chapter stands out to you as meaningful? What part would you like to discuss in seminar? So think about something interesting from that section. Lastly, what is a powerful line from this section? Write down the quote with the page number. And so just like in the example here, there's a direct quote with the page number, and I add a line about why that stuck out to me. You don't have to. And here I came up with a topic and what that made me think about what I might want to talk about in seminar. So these are sort of like the big ideas or deep thoughts of that chapter that you want to discuss more, or connections that you're making. Then this dotted line is to remind you, that this section here you will do on Monday after the seminar. You're going to assess your notebook writing for the week, how you did in the seminar, and then score your week of work. You'll put your initials in the box that you think matches your level of work for the week. This score does not impact your grade for this assignment, but it should help you think about how you're working and where you want to go next with your work. If you have any notes about the week, if you are sick or something's going on, feel free to add those there. This assignment is worth 20 formative points, so that's the equivalent of about 5 assignments because it is a week's worth of work. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this helped.